Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds Creative Den Air Plus. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use gestures. And with these gestures you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can also volume control or call voice assistant or swap between ambient sound control. But I don't know, maybe this one is only with my earbuds, maybe I have a problem with the gesture. So if I press 2 times or triple time at the touch area at my left earbud, it doesn't work. So sometimes it works, but usually it don't. So I don't know, is it no regular problem for this earbuds or not. And you can customize this gesture in the application if you use Creative app. Right here we have custom buttons, so you can set something else that what you have by default. So you just tap at the best one for you gesture and then select something else. Next, these earbuds have ANC, what means active noise cancellation. You can also enable it by gesture. By default, it double press at the left earbud, or in the application, you just tap at the ANC, and you need to select level. So I use maximum all the time, but you can set something else. And when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can just enable transparency mode, what calls ambient mode here, and speak with these people. And also in this application you can increase transparency level or lower it. It's up to you. By default it's minimum for ANC and for transparency. Then you can improve your listening experience by use equalizer preset, because we can create a custom one. Right here we have a lot of presets. This one bass boost is a custom one what I made because there is no bass boost in this application. If you don't know how to create it, you can check video at this channel. And we have a lot of presets for the games. As you can see, you can select something good for you. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. And you have 2 options how to do this. You can use the application. You need to go to the settings at the right top and then click reset device and then click reset again. And you don't need to reconnect your earbuds if you use the application to reset your earbuds, because if you do it manually, and to manually perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold this the control connection button at the bottom of the charging case until the LED light start flashing red 5 times. And then you need to reconnect them with your phone. So you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and remove them and then add it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!